Vivekananda Rock Memorial is a place of great scenic beauty, historical importance, and religious significance. Undeniably one of the most popular places to see in Kanyakumari, this rock is considered to be holy as well as an architectural wonder. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is one of the two rocks located slightly away from the mainland. On this rock, a captivating memorial of Swami Vivekananda has been built, which was inaugurated in the year of 1970. This was to honor the great saint and leader of India, Swami Vivekananda, who has visited Kanyakumari in 1892, a few days before leaving for Chicago for World Religious Conference. The religious importance is this rock owes to the belief that this rock has imprint of goddess Devi Kumari's feet, and hence it is said to be blessed. Shripada Mandapam and Vivekananda Mandapam are two places to see here on the rock memorial. Both these mandapam have been built in such a way that the statue of Swami Vivekananda can be seen directly from Sripadam. The life-size bronze statue of Swami Vivekananda in his parivrajat posture is alluring and one of the most attractive features of the memorial. Reaching Vivekananda Rock Memorial is not a difficult task as it is well connected to the land. There are many ferry services that run between the island and the mainland with minimal charges. Standing on a 38 feet high pedestal, the gigantic statue of Saint Thiruvalluvar is another popular attraction of a Kanyakumari tour. This statue was built by the Tamil Nadu government in the honor of Saint Thiruvalluvar, who is undeniably one of the greatest Tamil poets and philosophers. Alluring every visitor with its immaculate sculpting, this stone sculpture has been built on 38-foot-long pedestal to symbolize 38 chapters of virtue in the Thirukkural. Saint Thiruvalluvar statue is around 133 feet long when combined with the height of pedestal. The height of 133 feet is also symbolic of the 133 chapters in Thirukkural. Thirukkural, along with many great creations, was written by Saint Thiruvalluvar. The statue is symbolic of various great verses and teaching of this ancient classic of Sangam literature. This statue of Saint Thiruvalluvar represents great historical significance as well as it is symbolic of great teaching of Saint Thiruvalluvar. This sky-touching statue amid the vast spread of ocean and spiritual atmosphere symbolizes prosperity and pleasures can be earned and enjoyed when the base of virtue is solid and strong. Right hand of Thiruvalluvar statue is pointing to the sky with 3 fingers. This is symbolic of 3 stanzas of Thirukkural Aram, Porul and Inbam. Saint Thiruvalluvar statue is easily accessible by ferry. This statue is located next to Vivekananda Rock Memorial. Watching the sunset at the southernmost tip of India is a sight to behold. Kanyakumari is at the confluence of the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. It's the only place in India where you can see both the sunrise and sunset at the same spot. The best time to visit the sunset point is at the time of the full moon night when there are chances of viewing the sunset and moonrise at the same time. Nature has many colors and some of the most precious are the most deserted ones. You can find one of those sites in Kanyakumari, which is the southernmost tip of India. At the confluence of the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea, the sunset viewpoint at Kanyakumari is like none other. There are waters in sight, and you can watch the sun immerse itself in the waters. This site attracts visitors for the tremendous beauty. There is a lighthouse in view that adds to the beauty of the views accessible from here. The views from this place are really stunning. The sun rises beyond the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, which gives a striking reflection to the complete scenario. One can enjoy some beautiful sights here in peace. The place also offers interesting photo ops because of the play of light, water, and structures. On full moon evenings or Chitra Purnima, the sunset and moonrise are visible at the same time. It is the best time to visit this viewpoint.